Aero covers, also known as wheel aero shields or hubcaps, are aerodynamic accessories installed on Tesla Model Y alloy wheels to reduce drag and improve energy efficiency. These covers can potentially increase your range by 1 to 5% depending on driving conditions. This video will guide you through safely removing and reinstalling them, as well as how to protect your alloy wheels. Before you start, park your Model Y on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a soft cloth, and gloves to protect your hands and the covers from scratches. A flathead screwdriver can be used as a last resort, but be very careful. Wheel chocks are also recommended for safety. First, locate the small gap or access point on the edge of the Aero cover. This is usually near the valve stem on the wheel. Next, gently insert the plastic pry tool into the gap you found. Use the tool to pry outward and release the clips that hold the cover in place. Now, work your way around the entire wheel in a circular motion. Release each clip one by one to fully loosen the Aero cover. Once all the clips are loosened, carefully pull the Aero cover straight off the wheel. Do not twist or force it. Important, avoid forcing the Aero cover, as this can break the clips, especially on older model years. The entire removal process should take about 5 to 10 minutes per wheel. With the Aero cover removed, now's a good time to clean your alloy wheels. Start by using a pH-neutral wheel cleaner to avoid damaging the clear coat on your wheels. Spray the wheel cleaner evenly and let the foam sit for a few minutes to break down dirt and brake dust. This pH-neutral formula prevents etching or discoloration of the alloy surface. Use a soft brush or microfiber pad to gently scrub the wheel, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Dry completely with a clean cloth to prevent water spots. Once the wheel is clean and dry, apply a ceramic coating or sealant. This creates a protective layer that provides hydrophobic properties, helping to repel dirt, salt, and other contaminants. For continued protection, reapply the ceramic coating or sealant every 6 months. This keeps your alloy wheels looking their best and prevents long-term damage from environmental elements. To reinstall the Aero cover, first ensure the wheel is clean. Remove any dirt or debris to allow proper alignment. Next, align the inner lip of the cover with the mounting points on the wheel. Position the cover carefully to match the wheel's structure. Push the cover firmly onto the wheel, starting from the top and working your way around. Apply even pressure to seat it properly. Make sure each clip engages audibly. Listen for the clicking sound as the cover locks into place. A rubber mallet wrapped in a soft cloth can be used for gentle tapping if the cover needs extra encouragement to seat fully. After reinstalling the Aero cover, the first verification step is to spin the wheel to check for any wobbles. This simple test helps ensure the cover is properly seated and aligned. If you notice any wobbles during the spin test, it indicates that the cover may not be fully seated or aligned properly on the wheel. This can cause vibrations while driving and affect vehicle performance. For more precise verification, you can use a level placed against the wheel. The bubbles should be centered between the lines, indicating the wheel is level and the cover is properly aligned. Alternatively, use the Tesla app's diagnostic tools for advanced monitoring. The app can detect wheel alignment issues and provide real-time feedback on Aero cover positioning through the vehicle's sensors. If you continue to have problems despite these checks, remove the Aero cover completely and repeat the reinstallation process. Pay close attention to ensuring all clips engage properly and the cover sits flush against the wheel. One common mistake is using metal tools during removal. Metal tools can easily scratch or damage the plastic clips and the alloy wheel surface. Always use plastic pry tools instead. Always handle the Aero cover gently. Forceful prying or pulling can break the clips. Work slowly around the wheel and listen for clip releases. Regularly inspect your Aero covers for cracks or damage. Check visually and by touch for any signs of wear. Early detection prevents larger issues. Tesla offers free Aero cover replacements under warranty for the first 5 years or 50,000 miles for certain wear issues like cracking from temperature changes. Remember, Aero covers enhance aerodynamics for better efficiency. Handle them with care to maintain their performance and protect your investment. The EV industry's focus on aerodynamics continues to make aero covers a staple for Tesla vehicles. Look for a rise in aftermarket custom aero covers with enhanced designs. These covers use hybrid materials like plastic with carbon fiber for improved durability. Tesla even released a limited edition Eco Aero kit with magnetic covers in 2025. Future designs may even integrate AI for self-adjusting drag reduction. As Tesla continues to innovate, Aero covers will evolve with smarter, more sustainable designs, enhancing both performance and style.